Gravando, oh oh.
Ha 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 ha.
O repórter! Fogos Artifícios! O repórter!
What the heck is this?
I don't know. They're, not mine.
Hold on. Stay right there. Hello. Who is this?
Hello. Is this Mametchi?
Yes. Who is this?
This is Principal Haroon Hader. I caught your daughter Billy on my security cameras breaking and entering my home.
What?
Not only that, but I found some fireworks that I believe she planted in my living room. It went off before I got a chance to get rid of it, and now my apartment is on fire.
You can't be serious.
I'm going to take these matters to court. Bye.
Goodbye. I apologize in advance. You want to tell me how these fireworks got here?
I don't know. It could be there by accident.
You know that it wasn't there by accident. I can't believe you planted fireworks at people's houses. How many houses did you plant the fireworks in? We can't believe you planted fireworks at everyone's houses. That's it. Today is punishment day.